This web page features both a grid and an aside. The grid shows available cats. The aside shows a photograph of a cat and dog together. We put both the cat article and the aside within a div of class wrapper with a display of grid. When the screen width exceeds 35 characters, a media query displays two columns. The left 3/4 holds the cat cards. The right quarter has the image of a cat and dog. Notice the grid lines on the screen image. The article begins with a heading and a paragraph, followed by the section containing class cards. The CSS for class cards sets up another grid. Notice those grid lines on the screen image. The associated CSS command, grid template columns. Repeat autofit min-max cong-h repeatedly sets up cards at least 15 characters wide across the left portion of the screen. The grid autoflow dense CSS command lets smaller cards jump up within the list to fill empty spaces. As a result, tabbing between cards no longer follows the grid's natural order. The CSS container type inline size means the child elements. In other words, the cards are containers. Each cat card container has an image, the cat's name, gender, a selection button, and possibly a brief description. When the container includes a description and the container has enough room, then the description is displayed across two columns of the grid. To ensure they're evenly spaced across the screen, we set the name, gender, selection button, and description within a subgrid. That neatness is an indicator of professional work. Notice the subgrid on the screen image. We have used media query, grids, containers, and subgrid. They work together to make a powerful combination. You need to master this.